Hey there! In today's video, I'll show you how to create your Shopify account and set up your store. Whether you're new to Shopify or switching platforms, we'll make it easy. First, go to Shopify.com and click Start for free. You'll get a $1 plan for the first 3 months. Sign up with your email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. I'll use my email as an example. Just enter your email, name, and create a password. You can also start with a Shopify partner account, which is great for building stores for clients or testing. Head to partner.shopify.com, click Add Store, and create a development store. This gives you a separate account for managing multiple stores. Once you've signed up, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage orders, products, customers, and marketing. We'll focus on the Settings section to get your store set up the right way. In the General section, you can update store details like name, email, and phone number. Next, go to Plan and choose the one that suits your needs: Basic, Growth, Advanced, or Plus. Under Billing, Shopify will handle your subscription payments. You can set up your preferred payment methods, including Shopify payments, PayPal, and credit cards. Make sure to activate the ones you want for customer purchases. Let's move to Checkout. Here, you can customize the information you want to collect from your customers, like name, email, and shipping address. You can also add a subscription box for newsletters or special offers. Then, go to Shipping and Delivery to set your shipping rates and delivery options. Once all that's set up, you're ready to add products, manage orders, and track customers. Your Shopify dashboard is designed to make this process easy and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully created your Shopify account and store. Make sure to check the description for more helpful resources and the $1 trial link for the first 3 months. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Good luck with your store and happy selling!